Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to add LinkedIn appointment button. So how to actually do that? So the first thing that you can actually do is to click on the enhance profile on your profile section. After that, as you see from here, you need to be subscribed to premium. So it says with premium you can get personalized profile suggestions from AI, add a custom button, and feature key details at the top of your profile. And that's what you actually want. So when you click add try premium, you can get that for $0 for free trial to try LinkedIn premium. Also, there's another way to go around that. You can actually click on edit on your information from here and go all the way down till you find contact info. You need to click on edit contact info, and from here you can add a phone number, and you can choose the type of your phone, and you can add an address, and you can add a website. So all of these options can lead to the person visiting your LinkedIn profile getting an appointment using these stuff. So he can just contact you and book an appointment. So that's it. That's how you can add an appointment button on your LinkedIn profile. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.